In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web not downloading files. So if the WhatsApp web is not downloading files like photos, videos, or documents, don't worry, this video will walk you through the exact steps to fix the problem. Now first, open WhatsApp on your browser and make sure it is properly connected to your phone. Now if you're having issues, try refreshing the page. So click on the refresh icon. Now if that doesn't work, the next step is to reconnect your WhatsApp. So click on the three dots on the left side of WhatsApp web, then click on Logout. Click on Logout to confirm. After that, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Link Devices and scan the QR code again to reconnect. So reconnecting can fix temporary glitches that prevent files from downloading. So scan this code to your phone and follow the following steps. Now try downloading the file again. So open the video. Now, if it still doesn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. So click on the Wi-Fi icon and make sure you're connected to the internet. Now make sure both your phone and your computer are connected to a stable internet connection. Now if needed, switch to another Wi-Fi network or try using mobile data. Now connection issues are one of the most common reasons why files fail to download. Next, if that still doesn't work, what you need to do is to clear your browser cache. So click on the three dots in your browser and go to Settings. Once you're on Settings, what you need to do is to find Clear Browsing Data. So you can use the search bar and search for Clear Browsing Data and open it. Next, select Cache Images and Files and click on Clear Now. So clearing cache files fixes loading problems and can restore download functionality. Now after clearing cache, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to WhatsApp web and try again. Now finally, make sure you're downloading the file correctly. So click on the file to open it. Then click the download icon at the top. If you skip this step, the file may not download at all. And that's it. That's how you fix WhatsApp web not downloading files. Thanks for watching.